Okay, we have arrived at downtown Disney Springs at the Boathouse. And we are going to have lunch. It's called the 10th year anniversary. It includes lunch and the imp cars. So we do have a reservation at 3:45. So we would like to see if we can come in earlier because it is going to start raining pretty soon. The clouds are coming in, so that would be good. Okay. As soon as you come up, you see a bar. And this is what they have on the menu. It says check in inside. So let's take a peek. This is really nice. Hi.
Oh, we're live TV. Hi.
Hi. Thank you. We have a reservation at 3:45. Could we come earlier for the boat and the lunch?
Oh, for the Boathouse experience?
Yes.
What's the name for the reservation?
It's Mary Hudson.
Absolutely. Are you both here?
Yes.
Jenny?
Okay. Alrighty. Are we going to eat first? Can we do the boat first? We're afraid it's going to rain.
Unfortunately, right now, we're doing it for the way that it works. It's going to be the meal first.
You eat first? Oh, okay. Let me get my husband. So we get to eat first, and then we do the boat ride. So, no, we can eat now. So I want to go in the gift shop. I just love little ducks. Okay. They said we can check in. Okay. Aw, thank you so much. We have little red ducks on the table.
I didn't used to it, but so, I mean, it's got a big bag. You almost never get it.
Happy birthday, Glen. So here are the choices. Duo dip, pimento cheese, fresh salsa, tuna poke, coconut shrimp, calamari, arugula capers, and oven roasted chicken, shrimp boil, pipeline pasta, classic cheeseburger. That's what I'm going to definitely get. And then the dessert. Okay. And then they do have an outdoor seating. And there is a dockside bar. These little kids are coming home.
Huh?
These little kids are coming home. I requested those on the table. They sit in the bathtub.
Good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
Great. How are you all doing?
Good, thank you.
Welcome to the Boathouse, guys.
Thank
I
you.
got a little water, a little bread on the way to start you off with first things
Thank
first.
you, okay.
Is it your first time here with us?
No, this is our first time.
So sorry?
This is our first time.
What do you ask?
Oh, I'm
No
sorry.
worries, no worries. It's a little loud in here. I got a little water and bread coming for you guys right now. Can I ask, do you have any food allergies at the table?
No.
And then if we're doing the experience, do you have any questions on that there?
I don't.
Just settle in. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Just a quick
Hi.
question. While we're sitting eating, I just want to know your shirt sizes so I can grab you the shirt so you have them.
Oh, okay. An extra large for me.
What?
Extra large.
Extra large for you? Same. Okay, perfect.
Thank you. What are you going to get for the appetizer?
Shrimp.
Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Did you want a second one? Because I won't get anything. Thank you.
I can only eat so much, so. The Carpaccio. Arugula, olive oil, shaved cheese, and capers.
No, cheeseburger will be funny for me.
You asked. Do you have sanitizer?
I do.